Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to sell your Telegram stars and turn them into real cash. Telegram stars are the in-app currency used in games, bots, and mini apps. And if you've been earning them, you might be wondering how to actually cash out. Let's go step by step first. Open your Telegram app and go into your settings. Look for Telegram stars. That's where you'll see your balance. Now, stars themselves can't be withdrawn directly, but the good news is that Telegram lets you convert them into Toncoin. It's also called TON, which is a cryptocurrency. Tap the option to convert to TON, confirm the transaction, and now you'll have Toncoin in your wallet. The next step is to transfer that TON to a crypto exchange that supports it. Some of the most popular ones are Binance, KuCoin, OKX, and Bybit. On your chosen exchange, copy your TON wallet address and paste it into Telegram when withdrawing. Send your Toncoin over, and once it arrives, you can trade it for USDT, USD-PHP, or whatever your local currency is. Finally, withdraw the cash straight to your bank, Gcash, or e-wallet, depending on what your exchange supports, and that's how you cash out Telegram stars, by turning them into Toncoin and then selling it on an exchange. Super easy once you know the process. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below what other Telegram tips you'd like to see.